Nothing Phone Mini. Could this actually happen? That's the question many fans of compact smartphones have been asking. And now, we finally have an official update that gives us hope. So stay tuned for a moment. And if you enjoy early tech updates with a fun twist, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In a recent video shared by Nothing, Raymond, the product manager at the company, spoke about the possibility of a smaller Nothing phone, which many are calling the Nothing Phone Mini. Here's what he said.
Won't Nothing make a small phone? Carl has asked me the same question when we were first proposing the Phone 3 project. With a small phone, there are a few main challenges. The first one is actually just the price, because a small phone is perceived as a lower value. iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, right? Bigger means better value than more. But for the bill of materials, they're actually not that much off. Bigger screen is not that much more expensive than smaller screen. And on the engineering level, it's actually more difficult to pack in the same level of features in a smaller phone. But in the future, if Phone 3 performs well, I'm all on board on making the next flagship a small one.
Considering Nothing's track record of listening to its community and delivering what users really want, there's a real chance that we could see a compact Nothing phone in the near future. Demand for smaller phones is clearly growing again. By the way, do you use a compact phone yourself? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, Raymond pointed out that Nothing has always paid attention to user feedback. If the demand is there, the company listens. We've seen this before, with the launch of the Glyph interface, the unique design language, and even the price positioning of the Nothing Phone 2A. Nothing has clearly shown that it builds products based on what its users actually want, not just what the market trend dictates. And when you look at the rising demand for smaller, more pocket-friendly devices, it's not hard to imagine that a Nothing Phone Mini could be the next big step. Many users around the world are asking for compact smartphones that are still powerful and stylish. They don't want to compromise on performance, camera quality, or battery life. They just want it all packed into a smaller frame. Apple has seen decent success with its iPhone SE series, and even some Android brands have started exploring the compact segment again. So the question is, why not Nothing? A Nothing Phone Mini could change the game for users who want a minimalist, lightweight device that still gives them access to all the latest features, including the signature Glyph lights and clean Nothing OS experience. Imagine a phone that easily fits in your pocket, doesn't feel bulky in your hand, and still delivers solid performance. That's the dream a lot of people are chasing right now. Nothing has built a strong brand identity in a short time, known for its bold design choices, transparent backs, and clean software. Adding a compact phone to its lineup would only help the brand grow stronger and reach a wider audience, especially those who are tired of large phones and want something more comfortable to use with one hand. Now, while this isn't a confirmation that the Nothing Phone Mini is coming soon, Raymond's response gives hope that the company is actively considering it. And given Nothing's pattern of acting on user demand, we might not have to wait too long before hearing something official. So now the big question is, would you buy a Nothing Phone Mini if it launched? Are you someone who prefers compact devices over large-screen phones? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Your feedback might just help push the idea forward. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.